Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the column chart on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to insert a column chart on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. So I just going to open a blank document here. So first of all, we just want to enter the value for the bar chart. So I just going to enter as a and something like this. Okay, so we just entering something, so up to 4 value, and I'm just going to mark as 1 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so we just put a value, so this will be 5. Okay, now just click on this icon option. So just click anywhere and click on this icon option. Now just go inside the insert option and just scroll down. You will see an option called chart. Click this 3 dots, and here the first option for inserting the column chart. There will be 3 different type of column charts, so we're just going to choose this first chart and click on the OK option. So now the column chart has been inserted on your page. Now you will see an option on the bottom side called select data source. Click on this. Now you just need to select the data source. You can select by rows and columns. So I'm just going to click this, and I'm just going to click for this, select the entire row and click done. Now you can see how it's looked like. Now the chart automatically updated. So you can just update still. For an example, just going to change the value of the first row here as, just going to change this value. So double tap here, just going to change as 18 and OK. Now we can find the value, the chart has been changed. This is how you just insert the column chart on your WPS spreadsheet. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.